Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax, the Dallas Yacht Center. I want to show you this 2018 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer that we have listed on brokerage. It's a one-owner boat. We sold it new here in Dallas. It's been on a North Texas lake the whole time. On the back swim deck you see here now, we got the optional teak flooring on here, which is really nice, very nautical. Also, we got the Gourmet Station here on the back, but you got a Kenya grill and a sink. So it's easy to cook back here in the back of the boat. Some really convenient storage drawers back there. I love that on it. Let's walk up into the cockpit. You got a big nice transom door in case you got little ones or dogs. You can keep them in the boat. But great seating. Sea Rays always do a phenomenal job with the seating in the cockpit. Huge table, definitely entertain and eat back here. Since the grill is on the swim platform, I like what they did here is they got a little refreshment center. So you got a trash chute right there, storage there, bottle rack there, and a refrigerator outside. So you don't have to go down the cabin to grab some drinks while you're outside. The double helm wide seat with bolster seats can rotate around, so when everybody is back here, you can face everybody else. A nice elevated passenger seat when you're running across the lake. But really great helm. Again, being a 2018, it has the new Mercruiser joystick control on it, which I really love. It makes it easy to pull this boat off the dock, spin in a circle. It's got the sky hook button, auto heading button. So all the easy stuff for anybody stepping up from maybe a ski boat. You want something with an air conditioner on it, something you can overnight and sleep on. Don't worry about driving it and docking it. That's a cheater right there. Makes it easy for anybody to dock the boat. You got a SIMRAD screen showing you a map, the depth, everything you need for when you're navigating around. It does have the full camper enclosure. I just got the front pieces on right now, but you can enclose the whole thing in the wintertime. You see easy access stairs going up to the bow. There's a couple lounge chairs. You can have them up or down. Speakers up there, grab handles, cup holders, everything you need to hang out on the front of the boat if you want to get the sun. Easy to get up to the center line too. Safest way to get up to the bow is through the center instead of walking on a little catwalk side. So great cockpit. Does have a nice opening sunroof. So if you want to see a little sunset cruise, you can definitely do that. Open it up. Real easy to do. Let's go down below and take a look at the cabin. A lot of room on this boat. Again, this is a 2018 350 Sundancer. So it can really sleep 6. So when you first step down, you're going to see the main bed is going to be forward. They added a big old thick mattress topper on there. There's original Sea Ray mattress. They added some extra on there. There's a skylight there, skylights above, windows on the side to give you a lot of natural light. But it is Texas, it gets hot. We're looking for shade, a lot of air conditioning, a lot of headroom in this boat. I really like what they did with this dual layout or seating. Normally, the galleys took up one side of the boat and had seating on the other side, but now with seating on both sides, we can sit and look and talk to each other face to face. You know, if you're having conversations or playing games or cards or something. They also realized a lot of people really weren't cooking down below in the galley. So what they did is they made this galley area, everything you need, but they just made it smaller. And when they took away, made a smaller galley, well, I got more seating. And most people are grilling, cooking outside anyway. So I really like what they did. Big refrigerator down here, got a refrigerator outside, microwave, burners, sink, good storage there too. On this side, you do have a TV that'll rotate around. So when you're in bed, you can watch news or watch a movie. You can pull the cord, loosen it, swing it around this way, sit down here and watch a movie. It's nice. I even like where they put the controls underneath this backrest, so you're not taking up storage space behind one of these cabinets. All these doors open up for storage. Really cool idea they did there. So this is a mid cabin. So back here in the back, I got a lot of that winter canvas I was talking about, and also another big pad to go back here. But what this really is, it's really two twins. They have a filler cushion and now to make one big bed. And they use this one pad on there just to leave it made up as a big bed the whole time. Another TV down there. You got a little seat. There's a curtain to close this off if somebody wants to, get dressed or sleep in here with privacy at night. There's a snap-in curtain. You got a hanging locker there. But on a 35-foot boat, you really got to check this out. Nice size head with a separate shower. So the head and the shower are separated, which is unusual for a 35-foot boat. Low-hour boat, freshwater boat. If you have any questions about this boat, please give me a call. Again, my name is Robert Moody. Ask for me. My phone number is 214-244-5535. Thank you.